Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find this section with apps. So let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and find special app access. Scroll down again and localize install unknown apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it, so just tap on the drive in my case and then tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the drive is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and then tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the drive is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.